Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek. I've been gone for a few weeks, so I'm excited to share with you some of the things that you might have missed out over the last few weeks. So let's get into it. Let's get straight into it. There has been a massive price drop on pre-owned devices, like the pre-owned iPhone 14 and 14 Plus, along with pre-owned iPhone, Galaxy, and Motorola models. Some new models were added to the Aftermarket Plus, like the Hard OLED compatible for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and also the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There are some great deals, over 2,000 pre-owned devices, such as these Google Pixel models and these pre-owned Motorola's. A new model was added for the iPhone 16 Plus, a soft OLED, the XO7 2.0, with OLED breakage covered. You could read more about the XO7 2.0 technology and the OLED breakage recovery on our website. And now available are in-cell AQ7 screens compatible with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. And something unique about the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the IC transfer compatibility with 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have over 500 pre-owned Galaxy A16 devices with same-day shipping, so definitely check out those prices according to their grading scale. And of course, one of my favorite brand of toolkits, the iFixit toolkits. The promotion is only valid through the 16th of April, so you have a couple days left to get in on this deal. These toolkits are jam-packed with everything that you might need for your day-to-day repairs. So I highly recommend that if you have not got one of these tool sets that you do so. And also the iFixit mat. I highly recommend the white or the blue iFixit mat because they definitely help when it comes to screw organization and not having the screws roll all over the table when it gets bumped during repair. My favorite kit is the Mako set, but an alternative is the Moray Precision 32-bit screwdriver kit, as it will definitely serve you for those on-site repairs, and you really can't beat that price. And of course, the press release that you might have seen on April 4th regarding the industry update on the US tariff impact on mobile parts pricing. If you're curious more about that, go ahead and take a look at that. Go ahead and read through it. You'll find a link on the website that talks about what's happening, what to expect, the positives, and what you can do throughout this time of somewhat uncertainty with regards to what's going on with the tariffs. And something that is really cool is the Amazon shipping, which is now available at MobileSentrix. As you can see right here with the Amazon ground details, the free shipping threshold is $250, where the regular price is $399. Cutoff times Monday through Saturday is 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely check out the new Amazon shipping method. And last but not least, now available is the Aftermarket Plus Hard OLED screens compatible with the iPhone 14 Pro. And something that I always recommend you check out is the recently added section for the tools and supplies. And if there's anything in particular that you see that you'd like to see demonstrated in a video, let me know in the comments below. There's a good chance that I've already made a video covering it, but if you find something that you are unsure of, just ask. For example, one of the current failures that we're seeing a lot of on the newer iPhones and iPads is Wi-Fi failure. And to have tools such as these, where you can take those different models of Wi-Fi ICs and be able to actually replace them with these JCID Wi-Fi unbind and Wi-Fi repair chips, paired with the Wi-Fi chip unbind activation modules, you'll be able to salvage those devices that would otherwise just become scrap because you kind of need Wi-Fi to make these devices worth having. So there's definitely some money to be made there. We got some fun videos coming out later this week. And again, let me know if there's something that you'd like to see in a future video. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.